there, I hear you might need a hand putting your 3M grip tape onto your hoop. So we sent it to you on a little roll, and it helps to keep it pretty wound up while you're putting it on the hoop. I'll take the very tip, fold down the backing so I can place the tape on the hoop. I hold it so the strip comes out from underneath the roll of tape. And then I find the connection site, which I don't know if you can really see on this one, but it's right here. I'll scoot it all close. I'm kind of in the hoop. You can find the way that works best for you, but I find being in the hoop helps me keep it centered. Place the tape at the connection site, then I readjust. This hoop's really small, it's only 25 inches, so you might be able to actually sit in yours and be looking at where you're placing the tape. But I'm actually going to look on the outside for this little guy. And you go ahead and peel the backing down, and then I hold it with my middle finger away from the tape. And I go ahead and keep my eye on the tape as it goes onto the hoop, pulling the backing off as I go. Helps me to really be like in the line of sight to the inner portion of your hoop. I like set it down so it's nice and centered, and then I'll go back up and flatten down the sides. And then I'll adjust the hoop up and keep on keeping on. A lot of the time I will let me see if I can move my camera, keep the tension on the grip tape, not too much because you don't want it to pull away from the hoop. This is really sticky tape, so your chances of that happening are pretty slim, but it's good to know. So little tension, placing the tape on the hoop. And rotating up, and backing off, watching where it's going. Giving a little tension so it doesn't wiggle and you don't have like wobbly grip tape on the inside of your hoop. And that is pretty much it. Once I get to the end, I'll use an X-Acto knife, or you can use scissors, and just with the X-Acto knife I'll get into the groove of the connection and slice it, and then it'll be good to go. It's really sticky, it's really grippy. Rock on. Happy hooping.